Layla was sleeping when you called.
Layla was sleeping when you called.
Layla is sleeping.
Layla is sleeping.
Layla will be sleeping by 9 p.m.
Layla will be sleeping by 9 p.m.
Layla was riding her bicycle all evening.
Layla was riding her bicycle all evening.
Layla is riding her bicycle.
Layla is riding her bicycle.
Layla will be riding her bicycle by the time you get home.
Layla will be riding her bicycle by the time you get home.
Layla was reading a storybook.
Layla was reading a storybook.
Layla is reading a storybook.
Layla is reading a storybook.
Layla will be reading her literature book before bedtime.
Layla will be reading her literature book before bedtime.
Layla was playing the piano when it started to rain.
Layla was playing the piano when it started to rain.
Layla is playing the piano.
Layla is playing the piano.
Layla will be playing the piano at the concert.
Layla will be playing the piano at the concert.
Layla was talking on the phone earlier.
Layla was talking on the phone earlier.
Layla is talking on the phone.
Layla is talking on the phone.
Layla will be talking on the phone with her dad.
Layla will be talking on the phone with her dad.
Layla was helping mom in the kitchen.
Layla was helping mom in the kitchen.
Layla is helping mom in the kitchen.
Layla is helping mom in the kitchen.
Layla will be helping mom in the kitchen.
Layla will be helping mom in the kitchen.
Yesterday, Layla was listening to her favorite music.
Yesterday, Layla was listening to her favorite music.
Layla is listening to her favorite music.
Layla is listening to her favorite music.
An hour from now, Layla will be listening to her favorite music.
An hour from now, Layla will be listening to her favorite music.
A while ago, Layla was playing with her toys.
A while ago, Layla was playing with her toys.
Layla is playing with her toys.
Layla is playing with her toys.
Layla will be playing with her toys.
Layla will be playing with her toys.
Layla was having her breakfast when you came in.
Layla was having her breakfast when you came in.
Layla is having her breakfast.
Layla is having her breakfast.
Layla will be having her breakfast by that time.
Layla will be having her breakfast by that time.
The dog was following Layla to school before the bus came.
The dog was following Layla to school before the bus came.
Layla is going to school.
Layla is going to school.
The dog will be following Layla to school tomorrow.
The dog will be following Layla to school tomorrow.
Layla was doing her homework when the doorbell rang.
Layla was doing her homework when the doorbell rang.
Layla is doing her homework right now.
Layla is doing her homework right now.
Layla will be doing her homework from 5 to 6 p.m.
Layla will be doing her homework from 5 to 6 p.m.
A while ago, Layla was drinking juice.
A while ago, Layla was drinking juice.
Layla is drinking a cup of juice.
Layla is drinking a cup of juice.
Layla will be drinking juice while playing.
Layla will be drinking juice while playing.
Layla was walking the dog around the field earlier.
Layla was walking the dog around the field earlier.
Layla is walking the dog around the field.
Layla is walking the dog around the field.
Layla will be walking the dog around the field this afternoon.
Layla will be walking the dog around the field this afternoon.
A while ago, Layla was hugging Fluffy.
A while ago, Layla was hugging Fluffy.
Layla is hugging Fluffy.
Layla is hugging Fluffy.
Layla will be hugging Fluffy when she comes home later.
Layla will be hugging Fluffy when she comes home later.
Recently, Layla was thinking about something.
Recently, Layla was thinking about something.
Layla is thinking about something.
Layla is thinking about something.
Layla will be thinking how to get out of trouble this time around.
Layla will be thinking how to get out of trouble this time around.
Earlier, Layla was writing a story.
Earlier, Layla was writing a story.
Layla is writing a story.
Layla is writing a story.
Layla will be writing a story to her mom.
Layla will be writing a story to her mom.
Earlier, Layla was smiling at the boy.
Earlier, Layla was smiling at the boy.
Layla is smiling at the boy.
Layla is smiling at the boy.
Layla will be smiling when she sees the boy.
Layla will be smiling when she sees the boy.
Layla was putting on her shoes in the bedroom.
Layla was putting on her shoes in the bedroom.
Layla is putting on her shoes.
Layla is putting on her shoes.
Layla will be putting on her shoes all by herself.
Layla will be putting on her shoes all by herself.
Layla was tying her shoelaces.
Layla was tying her shoelaces.
Layla is tying her shoelaces.
Layla is tying her shoelaces.
Layla will be tying her shoelaces all by herself.
Layla will be tying her shoelaces all by herself.
Layla was jumping in and out of the water.
Layla was jumping in and out of the water.
Layla is splashing the water.
Layla is splashing the water.
Layla will be enjoying herself in the water.
Layla will be enjoying herself in the water.
Layla was packing her suitcases.
Layla was packing her suitcases.
Layla is packing her suitcases for the trip.
Layla is packing her suitcases for the trip.
Layla will be packing her suitcases.
Layla will be packing her suitcases.
Anna was singing in the bathroom.
Anna was singing in the bathroom.
Anna is singing in her bedroom.
Anna is singing in her bedroom.
Anna will be singing at the concert.
Anna will be singing at the concert.
Rose was praying.
Rose was praying.
Ray is praying in his bedroom.
Ray is praying in his bedroom.
Ray will be praying at the function.
Ray will be praying at the function.
Rose was also running away from the Junkanoo.
Rose was also running away from the Junkanoo.
Ray is running in the 100-meter race.
Ray is running in the 100-meter race.
Rose will be running in the road race tomorrow.
Rose will be running in the road race tomorrow.
Rose was sitting outside all evening.
Rose was sitting outside all evening.
Rose is still sitting outside.
Rose is still sitting outside.
Rose will be sitting outside for the rest of the evening.
Rose will be sitting outside for the rest of the evening.
Rose was crying when she fell in the water.
Rose was crying when she fell in the water.
Anna is screaming.
Anna is screaming.
Ray will be crying at his next swimming lesson.
Ray will be crying at his next swimming lesson.
Sky and Sally were bathing for about 2 hours.
Sky and Sally were bathing for about 2 hours.
Jessica is bathing Layla.
Jessica is bathing Layla.
Rose will be bathing herself.
Rose will be bathing herself.
Robert was swimming in the pool.
Robert was swimming in the pool.
Rose is swimming in the pool.
Rose is swimming in the pool.
Robert and Rose will be swimming in the pool.
Robert and Rose will be swimming in the pool.
Rose was shopping for groceries at the supermarket.
Rose was shopping for groceries at the supermarket.
Rose is shopping at the supermarket.
Rose is shopping at the supermarket.
On Friday, Rose will be shopping at the supermarket.
On Friday, Rose will be shopping at the supermarket.
Rose was washing her hands when the soap fell.
Rose was washing her hands when the soap fell.
Joe is washing his face.
Joe is washing his face.
Layla will be washing her hands after Troy.
Layla will be washing her hands after Troy.
Kelly was drinking a glass of wine before she went to bed.
Kelly was drinking a glass of wine before she went to bed.
Joe is drinking a bottle of water.
Joe is drinking a bottle of water.
Rose will be drinking a cup of water every 2 hours.
Rose will be drinking a cup of water every 2 hours.
Kelly was hanging the laundry on the line when the phone rang.
Kelly was hanging the laundry on the line when the phone rang.
Kelly is hanging the laundry on the line.
Kelly is hanging the laundry on the line.
Kelly will be hanging the laundry on the line between 7 and 8 o'clock a.m.
Kelly will be hanging the laundry on the line between 7 and 8 a.m.
Layla was taking out the garbage with her father.
Layla was taking out the garbage with her father.
Layla is taking out the garbage.
Layla is taking out the garbage.
Layla's dad will be taking out the garbage an hour from now.
Layla's dad will be taking out the garbage an hour from now.
Layla was kissing her dad when we took the picture.
Layla was kissing her dad when we took the picture.
Layla is kissing her dad.
Layla is kissing her dad.
Layla will be kissing her father the next time he lifts her.
Layla will be kissing her father the next time he lifts her.
Ross and his friends were lighting candles until midnight.
Ross and his friends were lighting candles until midnight.
Ross and his friends are lighting candles.
Ross and his friends are lighting candles.
Ross will be lighting candles with his friends tonight.
Ross will be lighting candles with his friends tonight.
Ross and his friends were fishing at the lake this afternoon.
Ross and his friends were fishing at the lake this afternoon.
Ross and his friends are fishing at the lake.
Ross and his friends are fishing at the lake.
Ross will be fishing at the lake with his friends.
Ross will be fishing at the lake with his friends.
Ross was carrying water for the elderly.
Ross was carrying water for the elderly.
Ross is carrying water for the elderly.
Ross is carrying water for the elderly.
Ross will be carrying water for the elderly.
Ross will be carrying water for the elderly.
Layla was staring at the stranger until he left.
Layla was staring at the stranger until he left.
Why is Layla staring at the stranger?
Why is Layla staring at the stranger?
Layla will be staring at the stranger without blinking.
Layla will be staring at the stranger without blinking.
If you like this video, please subscribe for more and remember to turn on notification so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.